viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by Prop Tiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Surbi Gupta, and today we are joined by expert panelists from Kohinoor Group. I would like to introduce Mr. Rohit Kothari, Head Direct Sales. Welcome, sir. Mr. Rajan Sohal, Project Sales Head. Welcome, sir. From Prop Tiger, we are joined by Mr. Nitin Gautam.
Hi.
Today's project in focus is Kohinoor Coral. Kohinoor is one of the well-known names in Pune real estate market and have delivered over 5,000 homes across the city. Prop Tiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team Kohinoor and Mr. Gautam to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they represent. Starting with Mr. Rohit.
Hello, good evening and namaskar. I am Rohit Kothare, looking after residential sales at Kohinoor Group. It's my privilege and honor to welcome you all on behalf of Kohinoor Group. Before going ahead with Kohinoor Group presentation, I would like to give you a brief information of Kohinoor Group. Kohinoor Group has a matchless legacy of 37 years in real estate. Till date, 30 plus projects we have completed. 5,000 plus happy family association we have. Over 4 million square feet we have delivered till date, and 3 million square feet is in under construction. Our mission is to complete or give flats to the owners of 20,000 flats we are planning to construct in coming years. So I encourage you all to be part of Kohinoor Group. Going ahead with project presentation, I would like to, Rajan, please take ahead with the project presentation.
Sure. We will take care of the presentation in the later half of this webinar. Let's go ahead with the question answer. Mr. Gautam, but I would like to ask you for company representation, please.
Sure. So, good evening, everybody. Prop Tiger was established in the year 2011, and it's a part of the Elara Technology Group. From the year 2011 to 2020, Prop Tiger has served more than 25,000 odd satisfied families in their home buying journey. Prop Tiger not just lends credible advice and guidance to their customers, we also offer assistance in the home loan process. Our team of dedicated relationship managers is always there to guide you, help you, and support you in the entire home buying journey. So that's a brief introduction of Prop Tiger.
Before we move on, let me show you why Kohinoor Coral continues to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all our viewers. I hope our viewers have found this video helpful. Let's get to some question answers. Mr. Rajan, tell us how is Hinjewadi as an investment destination and what is the scope of development like?
Hello, good evening all. Rajan this side. I'm heading the project Kohinoor Coral. See, basically, if I'm talking about Kohinoor, Coral is situated in Hinjewadi Phase 3, and Hinjewadi is a developing location. It is not developed location. That's why the reason behind customers are getting attractive prices for the project, and the rental values are pretty much higher in this area, as the project is covered by major IT companies within 2-3 kilometer range, you can say, where approximately 1.5 lakh people are working over here. So as you can see, the demand over here is more as compared to supply. That's why the rental values are good. So again, accordingly, the developing location is moving ahead towards appreciation. Appreciation will be there within a cycle of five years, you can say. And the upcoming metro is the most development point in the Hinjewadi area, due to which customers will get higher appreciation on their total package price of the property while times of reselling. So
Right.
that is the main attractive part for investors.
Okay. So
One
can
more
you
thing I
tell
would
us
like
about...
to add here to
Yeah,
the Rajan is, see, when we talk about Hinjewadi, there are three factors. If you see the Pune, there are three factors that drives Pune. First is, yes, education, manufacturing, and service industry. So service industry is a heart. I mean, Hinjewadi is the heart of service industry. 800 plus IT companies are there in Hinjewadi. Almost 2,800 acres. जितना पूरा campus में पूरे IT companies है. So if you see investment point of view, रहने के हिसाब से one of the hottest destination I would say in Maharashtra and India is Hinjewadi. Be it investment, for residential purpose, is the perfect location. Connectivity is good, hospital is good, school is there, certain malls is developing out there. So if you see all the structure and the basic infrastructure that boost Hinjewadi and this west part of Pune. So of course, I think I've answered.
Yeah. Okay. So, Mr. Rajan, tell us, like, what is the USP of Kohinoor Coral and what do you think will appeal to home buyers?
See, basically, obviously, from customers' point of view, pricing is the best USP for the project, you can say. So pricing is very much attractive. That is nowhere in the Hinjewadi area.
Mm-hmm.
See, as we have only 2 BHK variants, pricing are starting from 44 lakhs 82,000 and it is up to 48 lakhs, in which customers are getting bigger carpet sizes up to 705 carpet size of total utility area. So this is the first point of USP. Second point is what I have told is we are covered with major IT companies, due to which rental values are higher in this area, in which you will get from 18,000 and up to 25,000 rent for 2 BHK, irrespective of the carpet area. Whether you go for smaller size, you can get that much of rental value as well. So that is again the second USP of the thing. Then in terms of connectivity, metro station is upcoming metro station is within 1.7 kilometers. Then Pawar International School is within 2 kilometers. Upcoming sanctions CBSE pattern school is within 200 meters, and upcoming commercial is within 200 meters. Again, we comes in a residential zone, which is traffic free and pollution free area. So these are the USPs of the property. Again, if we are talking about the layout and other things, all the flats in individual buildings are 3-side open flats, which are good for cross ventilation and sunlight in terms of vastu, you can say again. So these are the USPs, what I can say.
Mr. Rohit, would you like to add something to it?
Yeah, of course. One more thing I would like to add here: the best and the most powerful USP of my product and the Kohinoor Group is commitment of giving delivery. So till date, we have done almost 30 plus projects we have delivered, and one of the best USP we have is that we give delivery, prior to the commitment. So that's the best USP we have. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, adding on to it means we are having our existing project next to Coral, which is Tinsel County, where we have given almost 250 plus possessions of the families before a year's time, you can say, before 10 months. So that is our plus point, a USP point of total Kohinoor company.
So, in terms of price movement, how does this location fare? Mr. Rajan, would you like to answer this one?
See, if you are talking about price, if you can say price trend of Hinjawadi, see, basically there are variants type of 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. If an investor or an end user of a small family is searching for 1 BHK, the 1 BHK price range in Hinjawadi is starting from 35 lakhs and it is up to 42 lakhs with a carpet area of 500 square feet or 520 square feet. So nearing to that pricing strategy means nearing to that pricing, we are giving 2 BHK with a bigger carpet areas, with a bigger layout, with better utility of flat with zero wastage, you can say. So if a customer is buying for investment, so he can compare on the pricing accordingly, the ROI what he is getting on the price. If he's going for 1 BHK for, you can say, 38 lakhs, for 40 lakhs, he'll be getting a rental value of 12,000 or 30,000. But ultimately, if he's choosing Coral and if if he's taking 2 BHK at a rate of 44 lakh rupees, then he must be getting a rental value of 18,000 to 20,000 rupees. That is approximately covering up 60 to 70% of his EMI. So what you can say means, in a developing location, if customer is preferring a flat with a good pricing and a good rental value, it will lead to good appreciation as well.
Right. Mr. Rohit, would you like to add something to it?
Yes, absolutely. Surbhi, I would like to appeal through you, those who are the participant. I appeal everyone that please visit in Kohinoor Coral site. Then only you'll come to know how going to appreciate your product. How's the connectivity? So I'm sure what Rajan said is absolutely true. And yes, in next 2 to 3 years, this area is going to be changed, because metro is coming, the connectivity is very good, hospital is there, the vegetable market, the school, everything is nearby. So definitely it will add a value into it. And to see that, you have to visit the site first.
Yeah.
Our construction is in full swing.
Great.
Yes.
Mr. Gautam, would you like to add something about the locality inside?
About the locality, look, we have already covered the point related to Hinjewadi. One of the point जो cover तो हुआ है, but मैं उसको वापस से emphasize करूँगा. जैसे कि हिंजेवाड़ी डेवलपिंग लोकेशन है और ऑलरेडी कोहिनूर का ही एक और प्रोडक्ट है जिसको टेंसल काउंटी बोलते हैं, जिसका पोजीशन ऑलमोस्ट चालू होने वाला है. तो ऑलरेडी जब आप यहाँ पे फ्लैट बुक करेंगे और जब तक एक बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट होके आपको मिलेगी, तब तक ऑलरेडी वहां पे काफी फैमिलीज रह रही होंगी. मेरे ख्याल से प्रोजेक्ट के जस्ट डायरेक्टली अपोजिट एक स्कूल आने वाला है. सो जो डे टू डे आपको एक जरूरतें होती हैं, स्पेसिफिकली जो हम कोविड-19 सिचुएशन में देख रहे हैं कि भाई मेरा ऑफिस भी पास है, मेरे बच्चे का स्कूल भी पास है, ये अनबीटेबल कॉम्बिनेशन होता है. आसपास मेरे को मेरी जरूरतों का सारा सामान भी मिल जाए. So that is great. That is the real benefit of this project.
It's a wonderful insight, Mr. Gautam. Okay, so who is the target audience and which age group is most active when it comes to property buying in Hinjewadi? Mr. Rohit, would you like to answer this?
Yes. See, the best part of our project is in phase 3. It's in heart of Hinjewadi. So मेरे जो vicinity आजू बाजू में है, almost all IT companies is there. So for them it is like working from home and offices, right? It's hardly a step away is your office and there's your home, right? So my first target audiences are those who are working in near that vicinity. Okay. And the age group you are talking, first of all मैं आपके through सबसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि our project is very compatible in terms of rates. ये जो फर्स्ट होम बायर्स है, जो न्यूली मैरिड है या कुछ मैरिड होना चाहते हैं, प्लान कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए सबसे यूजर फ्रेंडली ये होम है. ज़्यादा आपके ऊपर बर्डन नहीं आएगा. इसके हिसाब से हमने उसकी पॉकेट साइज हमने डिज़ाइन की है और उस पॉकेट साइज को ध्यान रखते हुए हमने वो हमारे फ्लैट भी स्पेशियस, जैसे राजन जी ने बताया कि 3 साइड ओपन है, क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन काफी अच्छा है, लाइट्स काफी अच्छा है. सो कीपिंग इन दैट माइंड एक प्राइस पॉकेट एंड एक लाइफस्टाइल बना रहे. सी आवर टारगेट ऑडियंस इज यस ऑफ कोर्स द आईटी क्राउड इज देयर. उनका लाइफस्टाइल को हमने ध्यान में रखते हुए ये प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन किया है. यस, थैंक यू.
Okay. So could you also throw some light on the available units and sizes of units available at Kohinoor Coral, Mr. Rajan?
See, basically, we have 5 towers totally. All are 14 floors, 14 story. And we are actually focusing on Tower 5, which is newly launched product as of now, in which we have total 81 units left. See, basically, we have launched this project in December 19. And in this period of 6 months, we have sold two towers as of now, which is Tower 1 and Tower 2. And the upcoming Tower 5, what we are opening right now, has got 81 flats, 6 flats per floor. Okay. And the best part of Tower 5 is we have completed the construction of 4 slabs as of now. So one of the USP, what I was supposed to add on earlier is the construction is in full swing. See, due to this pandemic, most of the builders must have gone down in terms of construction. They must be, taking some buffer period in terms of executing the possession period or delivery period of the product. While what we are doing is we have, cover up the loophole. We have covered up the what you can say, which is left in this 2 months of pandemic. So we are our construction is in full swing. So we have all the availabilities available with us. We have almost booked approximately 5 to 10 flats in Tower 5 because it is just launched few days back only. And obviously we are offering this Tower 5 with attractive rates, especially only for this show. What you can say is this live webinar with PropTiger. So you all are welcome to come and visit the site. The site is open 6 days a week, apart from Tuesday. So you all are welcome. Yeah.
I would like to add here, Surbhi.
Sure.
We've got very good, very tremendous response. Tower 1 and Tower 2, we've sold it off.
Wow.
For exclusive, I mean, we have demands, right? So through you, we want to, appeal everybody that yes, we've opened Tower 5. I think this is the first platform where we are declaring we are open the Tower 5. So it's a really good opportunity. जो आपको जिस फ्लोर पे जिस फेसिंग का आपको फ्लैट चाहिए, इट्स अ रियली गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई वुड से आप जितना जल्दी हो सके आप साइट विजिट कीजिए, आप साइट पे आइए. आवर टीम इज देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट टू मेक अ गुड डिसीजन.
I would request our viewers to drop in their queries in the comment section. We will try to address them in the later half of this webinar. Moving on, I would like to request Team Kohinoor to walk us through the project presentation for the benefit of our viewers.
Yeah, sure. So I'll start with the presentation of Kohinoor Coral. See, basically, total land of Coral is 4 acres. I've told you earlier about the location as well, that it is situated in Hinjawadi Phase 3, 750 meters ahead from TCS gate number 2. Total land is in 4 acres. Please, you can just go on the slide. Yeah. Total land parcel is 4 acres. Total towers, what we have is 5 towers. All are parking plus 14 story. All are 2 BHK, what we are giving in the project. Average carpet size, what we have is starting from 615 carpet area and it is up to 705. So basically we have 4 carpet areas, which is 615, 633, 664 and 705. The pricing range of all the carpet areas are starting from 44 lakh 82,000 and it is up to 48 lakh rupees. So these are the pricing range. Total units what we have in the project are 432. All standard amenities what we have is like clubhouses. We have 2 clubhouses. That is the plus point. So please, you can just share the master layout of the project. I'll just explain about the amenities. Please go ahead. Yeah. See, as you all can see, there are 5 towers in C shape, starting from right hand side, which is Tower 1, and it is up to Tower 5. So basically, we have divided amenities into 2 parts. One is behind the building, which is above the podium level. So all the buildings are connected through podium. in which on which we have a clubhouse with a swimming pool, and clubhouse is divided into two, which one is in indoor games and second one is in gymnasium area. Then on the right hand side, in 10 number, we have amphitheater, open amphitheater we have on the podium. Then on the left hand side, 9 number is jogging track or walking track we have, and a party lawn. Then behind the buildings, what we have on third number is again your second clubhouse. So in this we have multi-purpose hall and a gymnasium. Next to that, there is a senior citizen area, play area, party lawn, and a multi-purpose area. So these are the amenities. So the plus point of these amenities are, means if society wants to do their family functions, they can do it behind the buildings, which is situated on the ground floor, without disturbing the residents of the building. So these are the first point of the amenities. Then we have given two gates. One is entry gate on first part, and the 11th one is the exit gate to avoid the internal traffic. The rest of the open areas are covered by the car parks that will be covered by a canopy. So basically this is the project details. The road which is accessing towards the project, which is beside to it, that is 50-meter road, and that is a private drive. As we have told earlier, this is situated near to IT companies, but this is not a commercial road. This is leading towards residential zone only. This is private drive of 50 feet. So it will avoid the traffic and pollution of the area. So we will be living in a peace, you can say. Again, each buildings are 14 storied, 6 flat per floor. So you can go to the project USP. Please go behind. More 2 slides. और पीछे जाइए सर, और पीछे जाना है आपको, स्टार्टिंग के स्लाइड्स में जाना है बस. So what USP is, I have told you earlier, is we are covered with major IT companies within a range of 2 kilometers. Then existing international school, Pawar International School, is situated within 2 kilometers, and upcoming school within the vicinity is within 200 meters, and upcoming commercial is also there within 200 meters. Then again, the USP of the project is, this is, you can say, attracted to first home buyers within who are a target audience with salary scale of, you can say, 5 lakhs to 8 lakh rupees, who are looking for first home, and also the investors who are expecting good rental values in the location. So this project will be the 1-point solution for them. Then there is an upcoming metro station within 1.7 kilometers of the project. Please go ahead, sir. Go ahead to the highlight. So these are the highlights. There's a rental income, good rental income of the project, which is up from 20,000 up to 25,000. Again, the land, if you all have seen that most of the Hinjewadi projects are covered by lease properties. So this Kohinoor, in Kohinoor, we have all projects on a freehold land. It means customer will have their flat with a share of the land as well. That is the plus point again. Then what I've told, school and commercials are within the 200 and 500 meters of the vicinity. Then there is a 3-layer security of the project: security at the entrance gate of the project, security at the entrance gate of the building, then security at the door level of the building flat. Then all flats are Vastu compliant. The flats are Vastu compliant homes with 3 side open in terms of ventilation, in terms of sunlight. All flats are Vastu related in terms of facing. All flats are either north facing, either east, either west. Then what I've told is there are 2 clubhouses and 10 plus amenities, and everything that makes you comfortable and secure. So this all I can tell you about the Kohinoor Coral. Rest you can all see by visiting the site. We are open 6 days a week, and all employees are there to support you with all the hygiene safety measures what we are taking. So these are the floor plan. This is the floor plan of Tower 5. As you all can see, you can see there are. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the picture is little blur. Still, I'll manage to explain it. There are 6 flats per floor in which all flats are 3-side open, and on all floor you have different options of carpet areas, starting from 615 and it is up to 705 carpet area. Depends upon your need, depends upon your purpose. And even if you choose smaller carpet area of 615, if you go for the you can say sizes of the rooms, then the room sizes are good as compared to, you know, bigger flats. We are giving hall size of 10 by 15, room size of 10 by 10 and 10 and a half by 12, which is as good as of 650 carpet area flat in other projects. So basically we have zero wastage layout plan in which the utility of the carpet area is much. So this is the floor plan of Tower 5. And if you are going ahead going ahead with the pricing range, we have 44 lakhs 82,000 starting range, and it is up to 48 lakh rupees. So we have specially designed offers only for this webinar with PropTiger, in which we will be waiving off the stamp duty registration for Tower 5 only, and it is up to 30th June. Registrations and bookings up to 30th June. So this is the exclusive offer what we are disclosing in this webinar for all of our clients, for all of our customers. So thank you. So be on to you. Over to you, Surbhi.
Yeah. So one more thing I would like to add up here what Rajan said. जो आपने अभी फ्लैट का लेआउट देखा, इट इज बट ऑब्वियस 3 साइड ओपन है फ्लैट. इट विल गिव यू कंप्लीट लाइट एयर वेंटिलेशन प्रॉपर है फ्लैट का. वास्तु कंप्लायंसेस से हमने ये फ्लैट्स बनाए हैं. ऑलरेडी वी हैव सोल्ड 2 towers and we have exclusively opened this tower 5 for this special webinar, right? And one more thing I would like to add here we have not kept any that hidden charges. कोई प्रीमियम फेसिंग फ्लोर राइज ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. सो मैं सबसे चाहता हूँ कि जितना फास्ट हो सके, जितना जल्दी हो सके आप साइट विजिट कीजिए, आप फ्लैट देखिए. इसमें एक आपको एडवांटेज ये रहेगा कि जो आप मनपसंद जो फ्लोर पे जिस साइट पे आप लेना चाहते हो वो आप ग्रैब कर पाएंगे. That's the only reason that we are insisting to visit as soon as possible at this site. Yeah.
I would like to add on. देखिए अभी ये पेंडेमिक में जो सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन है कस्टमर का, हमारे पास कितना पैसा है, हमको कितना डाउन पेमेंट देना है, देन हमें पोजीशन टाइम पे मिलेगा या नहीं. तो ये सारी चीजें हमने कवर अप की है. एज लाइक प्राइसिंग व्हाट वी हैव कोटेड इज द अट्रैक्टिव प्राइस, इज द ओनली प्राइस व्हाट बिल्डर इज गिविंग इन द सेम लोकेशन. हिंजेवाड़ी में और कोई बिल्डर इतना अट्रैक्टिव प्राइसेस नहीं दे रहा है आपको 2 BHK के लिए. सेकेंडली देयर इज नो फ्लोर राइज, there is no premium facing charges. Okay, then rental values are good. Then offers what we are giving for this time period till 30th June is stamp duty registration waive off. ये भी अगर आप देखोगे तो आपको ये लोकेशन में कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. तो ये सारी चीजें जो हमने कवर की. और सबसे बड़ी बात कमिटमेंट ऑफ कोहिनूर टुवर्ड्स डिलीवरिंग द प्रोडक्ट. जो सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन है आज की डेट में कस्टमर्स का कि हमको डिलीवरी टाइम पे मिलेगी या नहीं. तो ये डिलीवरी जो है हमारी, ये टाइम से ज्यादा हम लेते नहीं है, उल्टा टाइम जो हम कमिटमेंट दे रहे हैं उससे 6 महीना 10 महीना पहले ही हम कस्टमर्स को डिलीवर करते हैं. तो हमारी कमिटमेंट है, वो हमारा प्रूफ है. जो हमारा एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट हमारे बगल में ही हमने डिलीवर किया है आधे ज्यादा कस्टमर्स को. तो ये सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन है कस्टमर्स का. तो व्हाट द थिंग इज, अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू विल नॉट विजिट practically at site, physically at site, you will not come to know what the thing is going on and what are the factors on which you are able to choose to buy a property. So this is the plus point. Yeah.
Thank you, team, for the detailed presentation. Moving on, let's pick some audience questions. So the first question is from Mr. Alok Mishra. He's asking, what is the exact location of Kohinoor Coral? Mr. Rajan, would you like to address that?
See, as I have told earlier only, Kohinoor is situated in Hinjewadi Phase 3. All must have seen TCS company. From TCS company's gate number 2, it is exactly 750 meters. So you have to take right from TCS gate number 2, it is exactly 750 meters. It is totally a residential zone, a pollution free and a traffic free area. And you can search it on Google as well.
Okay, next question is from Mr. Ajit. He's asking, what are the existing and upcoming developments around Kohinoor Coral? Mr. Rajan, would you like to address this one?
Yeah, yes. See, developments in terms of companies that will attract good rental values. Companies are major IT companies are there within 2-3 kilometer range. Development in terms of school, international school is there. Pawar International School is there within 2 kilometers range. Then malls and other things are there in phase 1 within a time period. You can travel within a time period of 10 minutes. Then upcoming development, the major upcoming development over here is metro. We are having an upcoming metro station within 1.7 kilometers from the society, which is a walkable distance, you can say, which will directly hit to the appreciation part. It will directly hit to the appreciation of your prices within a time period of, you can say, 3 years. So as all must be knowing that Hinjawadi is a developing location in which if you are looking for a project at lesser rates, then Kohinoor is the only option what you have.
Definitely. Miss Rakhi is asking, I want a tour of this property online. How can I do site visit? Mr. Nitin, would you like to help Miss Rakhi?
Well, for the site visit, of course, physical site visits are still possible now. We will arrange for the physical site visit. Our team of relationship managers will ensure that a cab comes to your place, picks you up, shows the site to you, and drops you back. In case because of the time constraint or any other constraint, you would like to have a virtual site visit, we have the technological capability to do that. We can send you the sample flat video. We can show you the live sample flat video on your mobile. After this webinar, immediately what we will do is that we will get in touch with you. And if you give us the opportunity, the date and the time wherein you would like to go through that virtual tour, then we will do that.
Thank you. Mr. Pratul is asking, what type of connectivity Kohinoor Coral have? Mr. Rajan, would you like to answer this one?
See, connectivity in terms of transportation, if you are saying, then transportation is available at TCS gate number 2, the local bus transport, you can say. Then again, the private transport, as like cabs, auto rickshaws, are still visiting or accessing towards the project, as there are a couple of projects who has given the possession to the customers, and people are already living in the area in which they are able to transport, travel for their daily needs and other things through private transport.
Mr. Saurabh is asking, what are the amenities in Kohinoor Coral? Mr. Rohit, would you like to answer this one?
So there are all modern amenities we have: swimming pool, clubhouse, children's play area, gym. In fact, if you see at Coral, we have 2 clubhouses. So yes, we have all the modern amenities. There is a jogging track, a good swimming pool. Amphitheater is there. So yes, all modern amenities is there. Yes.
Mr. Kuldeep is asking, is there any commercial space in the project? Mr. Rohit, would you like to answer this one?
No, as of now, we don't have any commercial. It's a pure residential project where, you can, enjoy that lifestyle of being, living in that society.
Right.
Yeah, I would like to add on in this. The project is totally residential, but still we have an upcoming commercial of different builder coming up near the vicinity within you can say 200 meters for daily needs and other things.
Right. Okay. What is the area of project and how many buildings are there in Kohinoor Coral? This question is asked by Ms. Kirti. Mr. Rajan, would you like to answer this one?
Yeah, the project the project area is in 4 acres. The project land is in 4 acres, and we have 5 towers. All are 14 storied, parking plus 14 storied.
Okay. Mr. Manish Panjwani is asking, what type of carpet areas you have in Coral? Mr. Rohit, would you like to answer this one?
Yes. So we have a carpet starting from 615 to 705. Okay. So I would appeal him to please visit this site and experience the different sizes of apartments. which will fulfill his dream. Yes.
Mr. Gorodia is asking, what is the possession date according to RERA, and can it be delayed due to current situation? So, Mr. Rajan, Mr. Rohit, who wants to take this up?
Yeah. See, basically, as per RERA, the possession date is December 23. But as all we know, that RERA has given a buffer time period of 3 to 6 months to all the builders to give the delivery due to this, uncertain situation of Corona pandemic. But still, what we have, and Rohit sir has also explained that we are committed towards delivering the project before time. Before time means before time mentioned in RERA as well. So even if the RERA date is December 23, we will be delivering at least 6 months before that, as per our commitment.
And one more thing I would like to add here is that still in this pandemic, our construction is in full swing. So I request him to please, be at the side and see the actual construction which is going on.
Great. Mr. Siddharth Survey is asking, what will be the exact amount that I will have to pay if booked before 30th June? So this is a very keen viewer we have. Would you like to help, Mr. Rohit?
So first of all, I really appreciate, he's interested in Coral. So we would love to give him an excited offer. Stamp duty, registration, no premium charges, no floor rise, and yes, 1 lakh rupees is our booking amount, and we required as stamp duty, registration, and the bank sanction, and we'll proceed for the agreement. From our side, all the APF, all the legal documentation is clear. So as far as Kohinoor is concerned, one thing, keep in mind that we are very transparent in terms of documentation. जो भी हम आपसे बात करेंगे, जो भी हम बताएंगे, it is there in the agreement. We'll make sure that कि हम ऐसे हवे में कहीं पे भी बातें नहीं करेंगे. We honored and we, with respectfully, जो हम आपको बता रहे, it will be there in the agreement. So yes, we'll maintain that transparency. जो भी हम आपको commitment करेंगे, वो agreement में रहेगा. Thank you.
Mr. Siddharth has another question. He's asking, what will be the maintenance charges monthly? So, Mr. Rajan, would you like to help with that?
See, maintenance would be 5 rupees per square foot on carpet area, which will be taken at the time of possession in final demand, and for advance for 2 years. So customer has to pay 5 rupees per square foot for 2 years at the time of possession.
So there's another question. We are a family of 4 and looking to invest in a 2 BHK in a reputed construction. We have 2 kids and we want to ensure that this project has enough amenities for family living. Please help. Mr. Rajan, would you like to help with this?
Yeah, as I've explained earlier that we have multiple amenities, and the amenities has been divided into 2 parts to avoid the disturbance and to utilize it better and to avoid the traffic as well in the amenities area. So ultimately we have senior citizen areas, children play areas, and multi-purpose areas as well to be utilized and enjoy for the family.
Right. Okay. This is another question. How much rent can I get if I invest in this project? Will a reputed builder like Kohinoor will fetch me more? Mr. Rohit, would you like to answer this one?
Certainly. See, one thing we make sure that we've just completed a project, Tinsel County and Tinsel Town, in this nearby vicinity. So the rental, it starts from 18K to it goes to 28 or 30K for a 2 BHK. So it's a good rental, apartments is there, right? If you compare our product with the township, still जो टाउनशिप जे को ऑफर कर रहा है उससे कई गुना हमारे पास ज्यादा है. इसका रीजन where when the township word कम आता है उसमें मेंटेनेंस काफी ज्यादा होता है कंपेयर टू आवर प्रोडक्ट. सो यस, हैसल फ्री लिविंग है, 4 टावर है, एक गेटेड कम्युनिटी है, सोसाइटी है, यू हैव लाइफस्टाइल एमिनिटीज आर देयर एंड मेंटेनेंस वगैरह कम है. और इसका फायदा ये होता है कि इमीडिएटली आपको कहीं पे रेंट आउट करना है, इजीली आप कर सकते हैं.
Mr. Pranjal is asking, is there any payment plan available for Coral? I think he wants to ask about customized payment plan. So, Mr. Rohit, would you like to answer this one?
As of now, we don't have any customized, payment plan, but certainly if she can visit and, discuss what is her, in mind, what she want, and definitely we'll help her out. We would love to help her.
There's this question, what are the benefits of investing in Kohinoor Coral right now? Will I get any exclusive benefits of paying the booking amount right away? So, Mr. Rohit, please.
So, Absolutely. See, this is the opportunity where you have to grab it, right? So I think we have launched the Tower 5 through this webinar, exclusively through this webinar. And we have come up with no stamp duty, no registration, no additional charges, no floor rise, no premium charges. Earlier, what we used to do is, yes, we used to charge the floor rise, premium charges, and the stamp duty registration. It is but obvious. And keeping in this, this situation in mind, and we have to launch the new tower. So exclusively for this webinar, she's going to get a very good deal.
Mr. Rohit Kole is asking how far is your project from Pune Mumbai highway? So, Mr. Rohit, would you like to help him?
Okay, it's very interesting and beautiful question. इसमें दो पार्ट में आपसे बताना चाहूँगा. First of all, we are in the heart of Hinjewadi, right? We have a vicinity. सारे IT companies हैं हमारे बाजू में. Pune Mumbai highway से it will take 20 minutes to reach at our project, and around 11 to 12 kilometers, inside the Pune Mumbai highway. And second more thing, we are well connected, as Rajan have said, we are well connected with the upcoming metro and the PCMC and the PMC transportation of Pune Municipal Corporation and Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation. One thing I would like to assure you that from here, I mean, मेरे प्रोडक्ट से 1 किलोमीटर पे वहां से आपको स्ट्रेट अवे यू विल गेट लोकल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन टिल द एयरपोर्ट, railway station, and the bus stand. Plus, you will get local transportation to reach at Pune Mumbai highway.
So the next question is also related to that. Mr. Akash is asking, how will metro connectivity impact the property prices at Kohinoor Koral? So, Mr. Rajan, would you like to take that up?
Yeah. See, what I have shared this earlier as well, that Hinjewadi is developing location. The benefit of buying a property in developing location, that you are getting right product at right price, not at appreciated price, because it is developing. And there is a appreciation cycle, what you can say is for 3 to 4 years. And again, what we have plus point is upcoming metro in the location, which will definitely appreciate or hike up the prices of the property in terms of resale if customers are thinking in future. So this will definitely, what you can say, will hike up the price by 20% approximately in the area when compared to current scenario.
Okay. So there is another question. I'm looking for property options in 40 to 50 lakh range. Is there any property options in this budget in your project? So, Mr. Rajan, would you like to answer this one?
Yes, definitely. See, basically we have 2 BHK variants only, and all the 2 BHK variants are between 42 lakhs 80,000 and it is up to 45 lakh rupees, in which you will be getting the maximum carpet area of 705 square feet for the end use, if you are looking forward to. What other builders are giving pretty much higher than this. So basically, obviously, this offer, what we are offering right now, would be there till 30th June. If you want to grab it, you have to do the booking in this time period only.
Okay, we are taking this last question. What about water and electricity facility in Kohinoor Koral? So, Mr. Rohit, can you please help?
Yes, so electricity is, of course, so Maharashtra state electricity is there, MECB is there. Apart from that, in every project of Kohinoor, we have, it is a mandatory that diesel generator backup is there for all the common amenities, lifts, and the common areas and the passages. So yes, it is there. You don't have to bother about it. We have, the basic infra, we are ready with that. So yes.
And about the water, I would say, obviously we have 2 bore wells connected, digged in the property from now onwards, with the water of which is used for construction and sales office only. So this will be the water source for the property.
Okay. We know we have left many queries unanswered, but we are running out of time. But don't worry, our team will reach out to you shortly. You can also revisit the webinar video on our Facebook page and YouTube. Now, I would request our panelists to give their closing remark. Mr. Rohit, would you like to sum up your offer and what do you want to say to our viewers?
Yes, thank you, Surbi, for providing this opportunity and platform. I really appreciate all of you all. One thing I would like to mention here that it is a great opportunity that everyone should grab this. If not possible to grab, at least do come visit this site. Okay, we have come up with an exclusive offer of stamp duty registration waive off. There's no any premium charges, no floor rise. So yes, we are the one who's offering this price through you. So it's an opportunity to you guys. Just come and grab it. We have user friendly. We have designed the tower user friendly and the pocket friendly as well. So we have a different carpet which will suit to your lifestyle. So through you, I welcome you all to visit the site.
Great. Mr. Rajan, your closing remarks, please.
Yeah. See, basically, we are here to give the awareness about the product, what we have, to give the awareness about the project, what we are having here, and what we have launched that new tower with new attractive prices and offers. So basically, our main intention is to sum up with all these things in front of you. And this is the only chance, what I can say, which is exclusively presented you through PropTiger company. So please, I request you to visit the site first, then decide later. Thank you.
Mr. Gautam, your closing remarks, please.
Yeah, I will just recap all the points that were discussed and also add just one more point. We have talked about Hinjawadi as a location as to why you should invest in Hinjawadi. Whether it's an investment or your first home, Hinjawadi should be in your shortlisted list of localities wherein you are scouting for the home. The second is the great offer that is running on a project known as Kohinoor Coral. It's an unmatched offer, to be very frank. The third thing which I think should be added over here is that the overall cost of house ownership, which is basically related also to the home loan interest rate, is at its historical low in the recent past. The interest rates are down, the developers are giving deal sweetness as what I term it as, the location is good, and this offer is limited only till 30th of June. So my humble request is for all the audiences who are scouting for the home is to fasten their decision making process.
Thank you, panelists, for joining in. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free to drop your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.